Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to your Google Sites website. So first of all, you want to choose a place where you want to put them. So let's, for example, put them here. And you will want to embed a code here. So first you need to go ahead to the elfsite.com and sign up here. Elfsight basically has a lot of widgets which you can create with them. And now I'm already on my apps. There's also a catalog where you can just search for Google reviews and you will find this application here. And when you choose this one, you want to create a widget with this one. Now you will choose a template, whichever you like the most. And for example, let's choose this one. Continue with this template. Now you want to write down a business name or address. So you want to find your location. So you want to enter the business address. For example, let's choose this one. And I'm just going to use this as an example. So let's wait for it to collect the reviews. Now, as you can see, this is some reviews of the place I chose. And now you want to click publish. But we need to also wait a little bit. And now when you publish it, you basically just copy this code. And now you exit it. And you go ahead to your project, click embedded code, enter it. And now you want to insert it. You can now drag it down so all of the reviews would fit, like so. And yep, this is how you enter it. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.